I'm honestly getting sick of Muhammadette's sound effects. I don't know how to explain it.
This is the sound effects, and it sucks. I don't know how to click her sound effects. I don't know how to rant this crap. And muhammadette sucks. She's the useless gender swap OC ever. She's reveal her voice. But I record that she's voiced by Scarfy Stickman after she was logged in her channel. Go subscribe to her in the description. Next we had buh-bye, and she's such a crybaby. She was scared of everything. Including Thomas. He's my hero. I don't know how much I love muhammadette or not, but I really hate her. So I'm gonna kill her but a ball.
Casey, what are you doing?
I'm doing an rant vid.
You haven't started the episode yet.
Well, I was doing the first episode, but I made a rant on muhammadette that made 2 months ago.
Really? You made a rant on muhammadette sound effects? I'm gonna punch you in the face!
No. No, 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 no. No, please. No, 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 no. 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 No.
Also for Scarfy Stickman, I'm sorry to hating muhammadette. Make sure to subscribe to Gordon. He's pulls the express. Also the episode will be releasing at July 1st, 2025.